Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unhide apps on your iPhone. If an app is missing from your home screen, don't worry, just use the link to find an unhide app. First, go to the home screen. Now swipe down from the middle of your screen, this opens search. Type the name of your app you are looking for. If the app appears, press and hold the app icon and add to the home screen. Your app is now unhide. If you don't see the app in search, swipe all the way to the right on your home screen. This opens the app library. Look through the folder or use the search bar at the top. Then you find the app. When you find the app, press and hold the app and add to your home screen. You can also go to the app store, tap on your profile picture, then tap purchase. Here you can search for the app. If you see a download icon, tap it to reinstall. This means the app was hidden or removed before. If your app still doesn't show, go to the settings, tap on screen time, then tap content and privacy restriction. Make sure the app is turned on. If it was off, turn it on and check in your home screen again. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.